crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And can you see my wig? Yes, this is a Halloween video. And in today's video, I am gonna show you what I put together for a crafty trick or treat. And I'm gonna show you what I put together, or some ideas that are kind of like budget friendly. And by the way, if you're new, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you're interested in watching this type of content, just keep on watching. If you like it, just give the thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and family, so it will help the channel to reach out to other people who might be interested in this type of content. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the Halloween trick-or-treat baggies. Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am going to show you what I am giving for a Halloween crafty trick-or-treat. And I hope this idea might help you, if you are meeting with your crafty friends and doing like meetups for Halloween, and you know what to give, right? So I have here the baskets, and I am going to show you what I'm giving. So these baggie, I believe I got it at Joann's Fabric. So inside I'm giving these cutie ghosty that I put together in a kind of like a cabochon. So I didn't want to like punch holes on anything because I'm always thinking about my recipient, right? Like that she can use these as a tag or as an embellishment, etc. And that's why I have it that way. And then of course I put it in these baggies that I got a few years ago from AliExpress. So that's what I'm giving, and I'm gonna come closer. Then of course my business card, things from a Dollar Tree, a little mini book, a ghosty lollipop, Reese's chocolate, a little pen so my recipient can write down, jot things, and then also these fabric tag that I put together. So now we are just going to load everything in here. Then I put the book, candy, the pen, and then I'm just going to put it and close it. Now I'm going to place this tag in the front. So as you can see, you can give handmade, items, candy, few little gifts, from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General or other, discount shop. So, and right now, to make it like more festive, I am going to use this yarn that I bought at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and I'm happy that I am going to I'm using my stash, right? And I love this yarn because it has these sequins on it, so I'm definitely going to use it and tie it up a bow like that. yeah, so this is the package, and it's going into my basket here and ready, you know, to be distributed. So each baggie has different tags, fabric tags that I put together. They're really cute. I love them. I love the fabrics that I used. And there we go, if you're just curious about. Right, so yeah, so this is it. So all these, I'm gonna zoom out again. All these trick-or-treat baggies are ready to be distributed. So thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.